Okay, here she is, all done. This is a 1978 Bally Lost World that I just got done rebuilding the last 2 days. This is just going to be a real quick video. All the other information is on Colk's Pinball on Facebook. Basically, this is a NOS playfield that I managed to get a hold of. Then I had it clear coated before I put it in. Yesterday morning, about 5 a.m., I started on it, worked till about 8 o'clock last night, and then I've been on it for most of the day today as well. All new plastics, new pop bumpers, completely rebuilt top to bottom. Back glass on this. Basically, that's an original back glass as well. It has one tiny little scratch. Let's see if I can point it out to you. Right there. I think it was caught on a lock mechanism or something, but the back glass on this thing is perfect. I hate how the camera gives it real bad hot spots. It doesn't have those hot spots in person. So obviously, new flippers, all new rubbers, new plastics. This does have the Yopsicle upgrade. So all the controlled lamps are now just cool white through here. But this is a NOS new old stock. This was never been used, but it was originally made in 1978. I do have glass. This is voodoo glass on it. So if not, because right now with all the lights on in the arcade, we wouldn't be able to practically see the playfield, but everything is new. So I'm just going to do one quick. I do have a stencil kit for this, but there is nowhere, actually you kind of see it pretty good. There's nowhere on the front of this machine at all. The sides, they have a couple, where are they at? Yeah, back there, there's a couple little nicks. But besides that, I do have a stencil kit for it, but it's such a nice condition, I'm not even sure I'm going to do it. Or I'll just hold on to it for a couple years. Does have also the new purple wooden rails all the way around it. Did reuse the apron, it was in great shape. So that's it. So I'm just gonna quick little video. Latch this down here. My camera is in a very weird location because it doesn't fit under the ceiling over here. See if I can raise it up higher. Can we? There we go. Zoom out a little bit. That'll work. I'm still dialing it in a little bit. Like this one has been machine gunning the last couple of times. I just adjusted it again, so we'll see what happens. I like to have it as tight as possible so it plays fast as possible. The only thing wrong with this, the spoons, I forgot to buy new spoons, whatever. The old ones had holes in them for the pop bumpers. So my buddy 3D printed these, but they're for a Williams. So I had to hollow them out a little bit to get the screw holes to fit. And I think they're just like 1/8 of an inch short or something, but I can't get it all the way forward into the bucket. So if you hit it from the back to where it has to rock forward, the back side of all 3 pop bumpers is a little numb right now. So besides that, the other 3 angles, it's nice and sensitive where I want them to be. But so I'm gonna go ahead and order new spoon assemblies for it, and no big deal. We can play it for the next couple days until those show up. But here we go. This is Bally Lost World. Okay. So to get the multiplier on this, to kind of give you an idea of how to actually play the game, you have to qualify 2 times multiplier before you can qualify the 3, and before you can qualify the 5. So if you hit C and D, that'll give you times 2. You hit E and F, that'll give you times 3. And then if you hit A and B up at the very top, that'll give you times 5. Hitting A and B by itself also unlocks the Dragon's Den, which is that captive ball right there. You can have all 5 of these down, like hit, unlit, whatever. But if you have not hit C, you're still at 0, because you have to qualify 2 before you go to 3. It happens all the time. You'll have 5 of them, but it'll be like C or D, and you'll still be at 0 multiplier. I'm standing at a very weird spot because my phone rig's kind of in my way. This shorter ceiling in here. Okay, so there's times 2, so I need E. Ooh. There we go. Times. Yes, I took me to times 3, but I now need to get A and B. Not gonna happen. Yeah, 1,000 should have went off right there, and it didn't. I have a lane switch that must have just got stuck, because it shot all the way over to special. And the only way to do that is these 2 in lanes. So one of those must be too tight, or you're a little sticky or something. Ooh. Yeah, 1,000 should have went off again right there. That spinner's a little too sensitive. Almost got a free ball. I think it's 150 on this game for the first free ball. That was nice. Yeah, free ball. There we go. So, still on ball 4. This is the first pinball machine I ever bought. So, it still doesn't like me. But this is the one that started it all for me. After this, I bought Avengers Infinity Quest, and then TNA, Total Nuclear Annihilation by Spooky. Then after that was a Turtles Premium, all within about a month, I think. Yeah, because I bought this like December 15th, had it up and running really quick, and then I surprised my wife for her birthday, and it was like a week early. Her birthday is at the end of January, so I probably got Turtles, say January 18th. So I had those 4 games within about a month, 5 weeks. So that's what started it all for me. But there you go. That's Bally Lost World. Want more information? Go look at my Facebook page.